Within the security space, you might have heard the abbreviation ONVIF and wonder what it actually means. Only nerds voluntarily install firmware. Oh no, video is frozen. Or opinionated nuns versus IP4 fragmentation. No, that would be ridiculous. It's actually Open Network Video Interface Forum, which is a global standard that a lot of security products like cameras, NVRs, and access control systems are based on, no matter what company made them. Think of it as people from different countries speaking different languages and having a special way to communicate with each other. Systems, just like ours at Coram, are built with ONVIF in mind. So any equipment made after November 2008, which is when ONVIF was founded, will work with our system as long as it's built on the framework. Do note that there are several ONVIF profiles, each with a different purpose. So when you're picking new equipment or auditing what you already have, use this helpful cheat sheet to plan your setup. If you want to dive into further details, check out the article below.